Hit that like, hit that subscribe tab. Hit that like, hit that subscribe tab if you like these YouTube videos. Police accountability, civil rights education, holding these activist judges accountable like never before here at Freedom News Now. Breaking the matrix. It's all about breaking the matrix here at Freedom News Now. Hit that like, hit that subscribe tab. Up here at the Jackson County Office of the Sheriff for our First Amendment audit. That like, hit that subscribe tab. Here for our First Amendment audit here at the Jackson County Office of the Sheriff. Hit that like, hit that subscribe tab. Hit that like, hit that subscribe tab if you're new here at Freedom News Now. We're here for our First Amendment audit at the Jackson County Office of the Sheriff. If you like those First Amendment audits, those cop watch, civil rights education and information, hit that like, hit that subscribe tab for these YouTube videos. Got some construction going on here. The front main entrance here. We're at the Jackson County Courthouse for a First Amendment audit, holding them accountable. There's a sheriff deputy. (1936). Got all those rules and regulations for you, more rules. More policies. Jackson Court building. Now look what they got. They fully secured this off. They put a big permanent fence there now. They had that open where you could walk through there. First they had the fence, then they had the fence and the signs. Now they added this big fence here, and they're fencing the entire parking lot of the staff parking lot. Putting all that money into it, mostly because of a camera. Put that new camera right there. Put that new camera right there, brand new camera just put in this year. They better never say anything to me about my camera out here. These traitors to America. Got these activist judges, these traitor judges, aiding and abetting the invasion in America. Direct violation of rule of law, hindering and abetting illegals like you wouldn't believe. These traitor judges like Judge Allison Bates Stein, Judge Michael Clarence Stein. Activist judges, radical judges. Well, maybe that's not so secure after all. It swung right open on its own and closed right up on its own. There goes a sheriff deputy, one of the court deputies. What a great time to be alive. So thankful, so grateful for each and every one of you joining us here today. Hit that like, hit that subscribe tab. Hit that like, hit that subscribe tab if you like these YouTube videos. Police accountability, civil rights education, holding these activist judges accountable like never before here at Freedom News Now. Breaking the Matrix. It's all about breaking the Matrix here at Freedom News Now. Hit that like, hit that subscribe tab. Do you copy? Do you copy? Do you read? Do you read? Do you read? Do you read? Stay with us. Do you read? Hold your position. Hold your position. Got a sheriff deputy on the way. Hold your position. Cops called. Stay with us. Sheriff deputies on the move. Cops swarming. Cops are circling. They're circling the area, looking for our location. They're circling. They're circling. We're the top G of the 1A audit community. The top G. They'll never catch us. The final boss of the 1A audit community here at Freedom News Now. Stay with us, stay with us. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Hit that like, hit that subscribe tab. We're here in Jackson, Michigan at the Jackson County D12 Courthouse for a First Amendment audit. First Amendment audit YouTube videos here at Freedom News Now. We're going to wrap this video up. That's all for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe for police accountability, civil rights education YouTube videos. And I'll see you on the next one.